everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a kawaii ice cream sandwich cat using polymer clay. So let's get started. First up, take the colour that you would like to use for the biscuit part of the ice cream sandwich. I'm using this dark brown called Chocolate by Sculpey. To roll it down evenly on my work surface, I firstly placed down 2 popsicle sticks on either side of the clay, and then I rolled it down using my rolling pin. Then use a blade to trim your clay to the size that you would like it. I cut mine into a rectangle. Next up, we're going to add some texture. So here I took an old toothbrush and I patted it gently onto the clay. Use a dotting tool to create 6 indents on your biscuit, and then it should look something like this. And you want to go ahead and make 2 of these. Moving on to the ice cream cat, I'm using grey granite clay by Premo so that it kind of looks like cookies and cream ice cream. I flattened down the clay and created a round rectangle the same size as the biscuits. When you've got your clay the same size, you can go ahead and add this between the biscuits which we already made. To create the ears, take a small piece of clay and shape it into a diamond using your fingers. You'll want to make another small diamond, this time in pink clay, and add this to the top before cutting it in half so that you end up with 2 even-sized triangles. I then cut these on an angle and place them onto the charm before blending them down with one of my tools. Moving on to the face, firstly create 2 indents where you would like the eyes to go, and then add in 2 balls of black clay. For the mouth, attach 2 small U shapes in the center, and then also add a small piece of clay on top of these for the nose. You can also add some whiskers on either side of the face. Next up, we need to make the legs, so take a small ball of the body colour and roll this into a short coil. Use a blade to cut off the ends on an angle and repeat this step so that you have 4 pieces of clay, then attach these onto the body and angle them down. Don't forget to also add a tail onto the back of the cat, and then you can go ahead and add an eye pin if you would like to make it into a charm. Then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, you'll want to secure the eye pin with some super glue, and you can also glaze your charm if you would like to add some shine, but I decided to keep mine how it is. And there you have it, that is how you make a kawaii ice cream sandwich cat using polymer clay. You can see that I also made another one as well, and I just followed the same process except using different coloured clay. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!